Hello, I'm at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. This is the Mobilvetta Design Kea Compact 64 motorhome, something like this. Your price you're looking at is there, nearly 85,000, and this is 699 centimeters long. But what is the main feature of this vehicle is its width. It's only 215 centimeters across. That's a bit more than a camper van, but only 10 centimeters more. And the point of this, I think, is for those of us such as myself who get a bit frightened when having to drive down a very thin lane on the German motorway. I noticed that, say, the German motorway above all. It's happened to me in other places. I had something, I was driving in the UK. Now when I was at school, in fact when I started school, there was pounds, shillings and pence. We did 1 year of that, then we went on to what became known as new money. But it was also feet, yards, feet and inches, and I had a situation where it said 7 feet 6 inches, and because I've used a metric for such a long time, I couldn't remember how much it was, and should I be driving down there at all? Anyway, there's 30 centimeters to a foot. I remembered that, so I was able to do a calculation. 7 times 30, 210 plus 15 centimeters 6 inches. Yes, I think I could just about have managed it. Right, so storage at the back, as you can see. Here you can fill this bit in here. There'll be a mattress to go here, the mattress to go here, there. You know what this is? This is the bit the mattress goes on. That is the bit that the ladder goes to, and that fits here to give you a big space there. Storage all the way around. And here we have got solid doors. Don't fit, but it's a Mobilvetta, so I wasn't really expecting them to fit. And this one's jammed now. Right, so, oh no, I've unjammed it. Here we've got the fridge, and on the other side we have got this, the washroom. Now this is here, obviously it's here to stop thing getting dirty with people walking in and out. This bit here will it's a false wall, so it'll come out. It's attached via a magnet. I haven't heard of anybody complaining about these magnets stopping working yet, and they've been used for ages. I like that sink. I think that looks quite flash. Oh, I said that, and then what happens? Spoke too soon. Storage up there. Now, one of the problems I've noticed also, having said that, I often come into a van and say, look, there's lots of space in here, but the space is usually generated by the corridor, and the thinner something is, they've got to make up for it somewhere, and it's the corridor that gets cut. And here, in this area at least, I do feel a bit squashed. Sink there. We've got here our burners for the kitchen. If you want to see them, they're under there. Yeah, I don't want to lift that up. Oh, there's more stuff in there protecting it. Anyway, there's 2 burners under there. I'm sure you've seen a burner before. Splash guard again for the wall. Recessed window there. Rather nice front to the storage areas, and that goes all the way around. Here we've got a face-to-face layout in the lounge. Chairs are under these chairs, so you face forward facing chair under there, and the one on the top is the face-to-face facing chairs. So actually here, this part here, I think there is quite a lot of light, and it looks roomy. That's because I think of the shape of the vehicle, which seems to converge on a point, as well as the clever use of indirect lighting. I might have got that one wrong, but that's the way it looks like to me. Oh, I didn't show you this. Let's see if I can open it. Wide drawer under there, place for your knives and forks. That is if you use them. And up here, there's another storage thing here. That's quite hard. I like that. For your spoons and cooking implements. Good. Right, let's come out. So the big use of something like this. Yeah, we'll just have a quick look at the garage. And oh, look at that! Isn't that big for such a small vehicle? An enormously large garage. You can easily get a number of bikes in there. We've got lashing straps as well there. Okay, thanks very much for watching this. I'm going to have to finish this quite quickly because somebody's put a radio on and music on, so I don't want to get in trouble over that. Copyright. But for the moment, best wishes, bye for now.